If you're unable to do it with the TRX band, you can go ahead and grab a mat, and what we're gonna do is called like a reset push-up. So the way a reset push-up works is you're gonna go ahead and start onto the ground, hands right below the shoulder, tuck your elbows in slightly. You're gonna take a deep breath and push up as you breathe out. Slowly down, hands up, down, push up. Slowly down, hands up, keeping in mind elbows stay tucked in slightly, shoulders stay back, hands down, push up. Slowly, very slowly down. This is where you will build most of the strength if push-ups are too hard for you. Your muscles need to get used to that resistance, adapt to that stimuli, so therefore they can build up a little bit more strength. And yes, if this is difficult for you, not only will you build strength, you'll also build some size, okay? For anyone who needs to take it a step further back, feel free to do so. Don't think that you have to start on those regular push-ups. It's all about building up to progress, okay? So if it's too hard, go ahead and get those knees together, keep them on the floor. You're gonna go slightly forward. Make sure your hips are not dropping nor overextended. Nice and straight. We're gonna go slowly down. Hands should be right under the shoulders, elbows slightly tucked in. Deep breath, raise your hands, back down. Breathe out and push. Slowly down, raise your hand, down, push. Slow down, raise your hand, push. Notice my head, I wanna keep it neutral with my spine. I don't wanna look up, I don't wanna bend down like that. Neutral with the spine the whole time, okay? Again, like I said, feel free to do this one. If you're struggling to do any kind of push-ups, this will help you build up that strength and get a little bit closer to doing a complete push-up.